और अभी आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं जहां पे सी पाकिस्तान के इवेंट में रेक्टर सुपीरियर यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सुमेरा रहमान तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं।
Entrepreneurial Expo, See Pakistan 2024. I'm really pleased to see all of you here. I'm really very grateful for your valuable presence, which is indeed a source of encouragement for all of us. As the documentary says, the objective of today's expo is not only to promote entrepreneurship culture in Pakistan, but also to ignite the passion of entrepreneurship among our youth. Because the youth of Pakistan is innovative and creative, and they have the potential to change the fate of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, See Pakistan is an annual feature to celebrate the independence of Pakistan and to remind ourselves what real celebration of independence should look like. It is not just an expo of showcasing innovative and creative ideas, but also a testament of our boundless potential of our youth. Each startup exhibiting today represent a dream, a solution to a problem, and a step towards better and prosperous Pakistan. I personally believe that entrepreneurship has the power to drive sustainable economic growth, and the role of the universities in this regard is central in shaping the human capital needed for the economy. I still remember the day when we initiated this idea of See Pakistan at Superior University with a vision that Superior University will not be the factory of unemployed youth. It will enable and empower our youth with entrepreneurial mindset through our unique entrepreneurship teaching and training program to enable them to become job creators rather than job seekers. And ever since, our innovative educational models are helping and nurturing our youth to make their socio-economic impact into the society. Ladies and gentlemen, See Pakistan is comprised of a series of events which spread across the year, which brings together entrepreneurial educators, government, and industry. This year's expo kicked off with the launch of World Startup Championship in May. And I'm so pleased that we have received very overwhelming response this year. More than 157 universities participated in World Startup Championship, and over 1,800 startup applications. Over 1,800 startup applications received from 141 cities of Pakistan. And 200 startup applications were received from 35 countries around the globe. I'm so pleased to say 11 regional evaluation rounds and 5 global evaluation rounds took place. And after rigorous evaluation and selection process of 3 months, only 100 startups has been shortlisted to showcase in the grand finale of today. The shortlisted startups are mainly from agriculture, agtech, fintech, and climate change. And believe me, I especially feel proud to say that 50% of startups applied for See Pakistan are women-led. Which not only shows the significant advancement of gender inclusion in entrepreneurship, but also reflect on the role of the women in driving innovation and economic growth of Pakistan. Today is the grand finale of 100 shortlisted startups, and under 2 main categories, the growth stage and ideation stage. The winner of growth stage will be awarded with the seed fund of rupees 500,000 in the closing ceremony today, and there is also rupees 200,000 seed fund for the ideation stage, and For each category, there is a seed fund of 100,000 for each category of healthcare, fintech, edtech, and climate change. So the final judging round is taking place in the other hall of the Expo Center, which we will definitely inaugurate today. In the end, definitely, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the role of each stakeholders whose support has been instrumental in making this Expo successful. First of all, I'm truly grateful to Chairman APSF for giving us the opportunity to expand See Pakistan at national and international level. Sir, thank you very much. I really appreciate your role in bringing together the higher education sector to promote harmony, collaboration, and inclusivity. This See Pakistan indeed is a platform for collaboration and networking, and I'm truly grateful to all my partner universities and collaborators for joining hands together for the vision of developing economically. And I would also like to express my gratitude to all the sponsors who supported us with their generous and unwavering support. And today, I really want to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work, dedication, and devotion of my entire amazing See Pakistan organizing team, including all student volunteers, for putting up such a wonderful show. I would also like to express my heartfelt congratulations to all the budding entrepreneurs out there. I wish them all the success. In the end, once again, I'm truly grateful to each and every stakeholders who have gathered here to witness the future leaders, the future industries, and future innovations that will definitely shape our economy and the society. So once again, a warm welcome to See Pakistan 2024, Pakistan Zindabad.